All right, today's the 10th of July. It's Thursday, payday. We'll talk about what happened yesterday after this session. Let's get straight into it. Go ahead and log into my accounts. All right, go ahead and share the screen so we get straight into it. All right. So looks like we're still trending here. We are still trending up right now. We got two levels possibly on the 4 hour where we could reject here or we can come back up to these all-time highs again. Got this key levels. Right now I'm just drawing out the key levels. It's like any other day. Starting out on the 4, seeing what we got going on. Come down to the hour. There's too much going on here for me. Turn this VWAP off for a second. Okay. Little area to fill right here. Looks like we hit a supply zone here. See if best price got tapped into. Pretty much. Then we had another 830 came up. Hit a little supply zone here. Small area to fill. Touched it at 830, start pushing back up. Came down to this little area, filled it, pushed back up. Let's see what we get. I don't see anything clear right off the bat. Don't see anything clear right off the bat. We could come up, sweep this high, and then maybe they decide to turn back around and sell off. Because to me, if we came here and we filled this out, right, this supply level here, we should just keep tanking, right? So I don't know. Maybe they don't want to be as obvious today. They want to come down, we come up, do this little sweep, and then push back down heavy. We do have a little area to fill here. The 5 minute again, we're looking like, what are we doing? 4 points of bars. So I'd rather take the setup off the 15. Again, today, really focusing on the 15-minute chart so we can get a little more accurate data. I do like a buy here, somewhere in here. So whether we're buying at 003 or 996, let me draw it out. Let's see. Stop loss will be about 25 points. Okay. 50. All right. Well, we can take 10 contracts here. The stop only is going to be about 25 points. Stop. We take 10 contracts right here. Target 50. We come back down. See where VWAP is at. We're trading above VWAP right now. Still keeping in mind we're all, still trading at all-time highs, but this is NAS. I mean, you seen yesterday, it was a little breakout, and all it did was keep pushing up, right? Pushed up for over 135 points out the gate. So never underestimate NAS. I think right now this is what I like. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure this trade copier is on. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in the price at take a limit buy for 10 at 003. Yeah. 003.25. That's what I'm liking right now. I think we can get 50 points out of this. So I'll be targeting the 50. We got a 25-point stop loss right underneath here. That's what I'm looking at. Let me call my supervisor. What's good? What you thinking?
Like the move. I like the move. I respect it. But this is like a real small area.
Well, I mean, so we definitely got 50 on the table, right? Because the last high was up here at 0.72. TP will be at 0.53. So we got enough range to hit the 50, right? Which is our normal target for the day. So it's enough range. There's no area to fill as of right now to stop us on our way up. We got that small little gap there. Clear support, right? This nice little wall built up. We got area to fill. This is a clear demand, right? Aggressive buying. We're trading above VWAP. I think we get a little push here. I mean, if you really wanted to play it safe, you can go for the 1-to-1, which would be 25 points because we're at all-time highs. So if you want to get in and get out, take the 1-to-1 for 25. That's the thing. We can just take the 5. Or we close partials close 5 contracts at 25. move the stop loss up to break even and see if it go to 50.
Yeah, I think the most I'm gonna do is go to break even.
Oh man, it's 9:13. It is another day. Feeling good right now.
I'm not gonna lie, I came to the charts last night at like 7.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna lie, because that break and retest, I definitely was in that jump. And then I was like, man, I'm breaking my good habits. I ain't gonna lie, this jump went for 50.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I had to wait 3 hours for it, but
oh yeah, because the market, the time is it's a little different.
yeah. But yeah, I came at 7 yesterday and I was like, man, I'm about to take this. I was in it. I made like $10. And I was like, you know what I'm saying? Let me get out.
And it took 3 hours to play out. Yeah. That's the only thing. Like you gotta be ready if you're gonna trade different sessions. It's the same setups, but they don't move the same.
Yeah.
Every once in a while they will move the same, but for the most part, in my experience, I mean, you can kind of see it too from your experience. It don't hit the same.
Nah.
It don't hit the same. It'll still play out, but yeah, you gonna have to wait.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, just going back over this trade again. We're in a slight uptrend. So we got best price at 996. I have it up at 003 for second best price because I don't want to miss the move. So I got it at second best price. And also, since the trade is already cheap, there's no need for me to be cheap and have it at best price. Just to potentially miss the move. Like it's already only 25 points. We're already willing to lose 50 points on the day anyway. So I decided to take second best price here at 003 on this demand setup instead of down at 995, which that means we're giving up 8 points. I'm like, nah, come on down or come on up to here. We do have a nice key resistance level. This is the 15-minute chart. So you can see we built up this little resistance level, this wall here. It's a lot of price action, even over here. So I like this here. We can target a 1-on-1, make a quick 5, or we can target a full 50 because we do have enough range here for the 50, which will put us at a stack on the day. Yeah, we'll see what we get. See how it looks on the hour right now. I mean, on the hour, you can see it's a clear demand candle here on the hour, right? It's a clear demand candle with area to fill on the hour. And on the hour, 003 is actually best price for the hour. Is it best price? Let me see. Oh yeah, because I'll go. If I was taking this off the hour, I'm focusing on the previous bearish candle, right? Not the bullish candle here. So I will have my profits here to execute my trade. So yeah, we're right on the money, lining up with the 1 hour. And then if you're looking at the 1 hour, really, if you were going to target the highs of the day, it will be 70 points that you could potentially get off of this trade if you're going to look at it from the 1 hour perspective. But I'm cool with the taking a 1 to 2 50-point move, mostly because we're at we're trading at all-time highs. So that's what we got for the day. That's what we got for the day so far. We got a 1 hour demand. We got a 15-minute demand. We're trading above VWAP. So we might shoot down. It's going to create a long wick here. Boom, touch, shoot right back up for 50, maybe even go for 70. And they'll probably have a long wick here on this chart, which we've seen plenty of times. So we're just gonna be patient. There's an opportunity for a little sweep liquidity right here. Maybe it wants to push up, come slightly above here, boom, and then they might sell right back off. And I only say that just because, I mean, I don't know how aggressive these market makers want to be today. If they're just going to buy up and break structure. It really depends on if this holds up, right? So if this comes up above 0.77, like if the candle actually closes above here, then we could potentially be off to the races. It just keeps creating higher highs, so higher high. We just don't know at what point we're going to turn around, right? We could come back to these all-time highs here for another potential reversal, like yesterday. So we'll see. I'm just going to keep these lines up, see what we get. But I don't think this supply move right here is done. I don't think this is done. Right. So we came up, we filled this little area. I think we need to come down a little bit more before we shoot up. And that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Not going to think too hard about it. Just trade what we see here. There is no other opportunities that I see here for entry as we're moving into 920. Yeah. Like I said, we could push up. If we come up slightly above here and close bearish, then that would be a good sign that they want to do a liquidity sweep here on this high. Yeah, man. What you thinking, cuz?
Hey man, today another 3-digit day, you know? 4-digit day, I mean.
It's Thursday. Let's say all of these things, you know. I mean, we have a few things, right? Like I kind of see where we could probably shoot down, touch, right? Get us in. We go up for 50, right? Then it reverses back down, breaks VWAP. Then you have another potential sell. You can get in on a break and retest of the VWAP because it will come back up, touch VWAP, boom, sell back off, and then it will come down probably back into all the way down here and fill out this area right here. And then maybe it finds support again and does whatever. I don't know, but I know we got a potential opportunity to make an easy trade off of this move here. But still looking bullish right now. Still looking bullish right now. See what they want to do. I'm just gonna let this market keep coming to us. Let this market keep coming to us. Be patient. It's Thursday. It is Thursday. Yeah, like I said, I don't think this supply move is done. Could be, but I think we should have a stronger reaction than that, especially trading at all-time highs. But NAS has been bullish so far at these highs. We haven't had, if you go to the higher time frame, like the 4-hour, we still got a lot of room to come down to fill out here. Like all of this here come down and fill some of these levels out, and then bounce back up to the upside. So we'll see. Having a look again on the 1 hour. 1 hour pushed up. Found support here, pushed up. Found support here. So let's see if we get a rejection here. Or if it just wants to keep climbing the mountain, stay with this trend. Yeah. It's 9:24. Let's get it today. Let's just execute. Be patient. Let's just execute and try to take the best trade available. To me, so far, this is the best trade on the board. I think liquidity grab today. Yeah, I think the potential will be back up here at 31150. Here, not too sure if they want to try to take sellers out, maybe internal, come up, take some of the people that was in sales out, and then shoot back down. I'm favoring this setup here or a break and retest on the downside today, just because we've been in this uptrend. I think I would like to see a yesterday it wasn't much of a clean uptrend. Like, it just blew up yesterday. Here it's like since 3 a.m. we pushed up, we came down, we pushed up, we came back down again, and now it looks like we want to try to climb that mountain again, pushing back up. But we do have a potential aggressive entry here at 1150 for a sell. But I'm not sure if I'm that interested in it today. Let me look at it on the hour. Yeah, because on the hour, you can say we touched this demand zone here, right? You can say we touched this demand zone here. And now this wants to take off. I don't have the greatest confidence that this liquidity will stand strong if this is a true demand setup, right? Because this can blow up and easily go past 50 points for sure. So I wouldn't want to get in the way of this. Yesterday, we didn't touch a demand zone and then went up. We had a breakout candle and we just went up straight up after that. This here today, we came down and found support on a demand candle. We know demand candles can go for 100, 200, 200 points in a day. So I wouldn't want to get in the way of that and take a liquidity move there. I'd rather to get the confirmation on the 15. If the liquidity plays out, wait for it to break VWAP and take a clean 25 to 50 point move to the downside. So don't want to get in the way of a 1 hour demand. Not going to do that. Not going to do that today. But we close the market open. Let's see what does the markets want to do today? What do they want to do today? What do they want to do? It's Thursday. Say we're gonna be patient. Take the best thing on the board. I think right now we're actively in a 1 hour demand. This candle here. See, we found support around 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and we're still pushing up off of this candle. So I'm not going to get in the way of that. It's already up 95 points since finding support on this demand with area to fill on the 1 hour. So, yeah. So far today, I'm going to pass on this liquidity because if this is a true 1 hour demand, we know we can blow up, right? We've seen supply and demand do crazy stuff, go for crazy numbers. So, not going to step in the way of that train. So right now we slightly pass this level with this wick. Let's see if this wants to shoot down. Probably not. It has 10 seconds to close. And it's still looking aggressive. Let's see where it closes at. Time is it? It's 9:30 now. So let's see if it wants to shoot down from here. I said, keeping in mind we're still trading in new territory. Just trying to take the best setup available. See what this is looking like on the 5. Come on now. Why is this lagging like this? All right, looks like Top 1 Futures is having some technical difficulties right now for me because it's completely frozen. Refresh the page. Oh, this is trash right now. Come on. Cuz, how's your Top 1 looking?
I should froze too. I should hold shit blank.
Okay, here we go. So it looks like they're doing a liquidity move, right? At this level here right now, it's coming down.
I ain't gonna lie, I had to cancel my orders. I still ain't got nothing.
Refresh your whole page.
Yeah, I just closed the whole shit. That's right.
Every time I click on 5 minutes though, it's freezing up.
Yeah, I don't got nothing.
Oh, this is trash. Come on, man. This is trash right now.
Yeah, cause I ain't got nothing. It's not even showing me the screen.
This is trash right now.
Bro, get out of here. Are you in the trade?
I still have an order out there. I'm not. I can't see anything right now. Top one futures platform is not working properly. So let me see. Right? Can I get to Google just fine? Just fine. Click on Facebook. Everything's coming up just fine. Still can't see anything. Still hitting refresh. Still can't see anything. Still nothing.
Well, I feel like you should have canceled that order, big dog.
We're gonna see.
I heard you cancel all that shit.
Wow. So the platform literally decided to stop working as soon as the market opened. Um, you still not getting anything?
I even tried to go to the platform and log in that way.
The platform is still up.
Nah, I tried to go to where you see your whole numbers and everything. I tried to go there and log in. That don't even working.
What's going on? Okay, let me try to watch it on cancel that and go to real time. Okay, so right now the market is still coming down. We can see this on TradingView. I got live data here on TradingView. Waiting to see what we get here.
Okay.
Is it back?
I'm back. Yeah.
Still not back for me yet. See here, this touch VWAP, it's pushing up. We still got our order in sitting right here. Let's see what the market wants to do. I'm still not back, cuz. It's not showing a chart or nothing. It's not showing a chart or anything. Still hitting refresh. I'm gonna go ahead and close it down and see if I can log back in. See what's happening. Still hasn't tapped us in yet. Where are we at with it? Where are we at with it? Cause how you looking? You got an order in or it's working?
Yeah, I just put it back in. You still ain't logged in?
No, I'm still not logged in yet.
I don't want to refresh my page.
Yeah, I'm trying to get back in now. Everything is saying that I literally signed out completely. Try to log back in, it's still not saying anything. Everything's still just spinning. Okay, this came back on the hour. I guess I can watch it on the hour. So you see here, it did like a little internal sweep, right? Um, get rid of all these lines here. Okay. So I'm gonna watch it from trading view on my screen below me here. Watch it on the hour from top one future. So see what we get. Man, it's like we already about to come down on this 10 o'clock. We might be a part of this 10 o'clock reversal again. All right, so now the way how the hour is looking like we might close right here. We come down, fill out the demand zone here, and then it reverses back up. We see what we get these next 18 minutes or so. What time frame are you watching it on, Ro?
15.
Okay. $15 still hasn't broke VWAP quite yet. Looking like the break and retest from the VWAP to the downside is only going to give you 25 or 27 points until you hit that demand zone. That little internal liquidity just went crazy though.
Oh my lord, man. Yeah, something is going on. I tried to just go to the hour. This shit off like that.
Yeah, that's why I didn't even switch my time frame. I just left it right on. I left it right here on the hour. So on Trading View, I'm watching it on the 15. So there's definitely something going on with the platform because Trading View is not having any issues right now. The 5 minute, we have a supply zone sitting at best price sitting at 0.61. See where 0.61 at. 0.61 is up here. So on the 5 minute, we have a supply set up right here. struggling to break VWAP right now.
It's just playing around in that zone.
Mm-hmm. Oh shoot! I didn't mean to click the phone. Okay, it's still working. Yeah, something going on with top one futures today. So looking at it on the 5 and the 15, if we can come down and tap that demand zone on the 5 minute, we have a lot of area to fill to come back. And definitely hit 50 points for sure. Like it looks like it can go for 60, or I'm sorry, it can go for 58 before it completely fills out that supply candle. And then you have a potential break and retest right now on the 15. It looks like it's about to close underneath VWAP. Where you can get in for a sell and try to take 25 points to the downside. But I'm gonna hasn't quite just touched VWAP now. So it's a potential sell right there, Ro, if you wanna try to take that down.
I'm thug out with this move. Be patient with this move.
Yeah. But it will definitely play out and come right down into our lap here if it pans out. Yep, touch 15. So I have this line here to keep in mind of where the 5 minute supply area to fill ends. So that's as long as we can hold this trade once we're in it. We can't go any further than that. So it's easy for shorters to take this 50 today. Be risking about, like I said, 25 points. Smooth. Smooth, 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 like Gary Coleman. How much points is this? It says 25.75. So it's actually a little bit over 25. Right there. Okay. That'll still work out. So we're getting close here. 32. This might line up perfectly with the 10 o'clock reversal. If we have a 10 o'clock reversal, right? We just know NAS likes to reverse roughly around 10 a.m. So like I said, normally for me, what I think of what I've seen is like 9:55 to 10:30. That will kind of play in our lap here. It's 9:47. So we can, this demand zone may be the 10 a.m. reversal today. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. So internal liquidity don't hit though on the 15. Trying to see here if we take it, where would our stop be? We would have had a boom. Okay. Okay. All right, looks like we're shooting back down. It's about to be 9:50. All right, we're in on this move now. See what we get here. I still have everything set for a 1-to-1. Still pushing down heavy right now. I think I'm cool with my 1-to-1 right now. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not. I don't know. Like I said, the 5 minute though still has clean area to fill all the way to 0.60, 0.61. Let's see here. Just really have to have that patience here for that to fully play out. Nah, we're gonna take the 1-to-2. I'm gonna take the 1-to-2. That's what the chart says on the 5. You guys can't see it because I can't switch over and go back and forth, but we have plenty of area to fill. We are in a 1 hour demand and a 15-minute demand. I think we can hit that. We just got to have a little patience and just let it play out. Just got to have a little patience and let it play out. It's 9:50 right now. This candle hasn't even closed yet. So technically on an hour, this thing could shoot all the way back up. And maybe we close back above VWAP. That would be nice. It still has 8 minutes. You know, NAS can do anything at any moment. Any moment. This thing can shoot right on back up. So we still technically have not closed underneath VWAP on the 1 hour yet. Mm. See what we get. I'm also watching this from the 5, seeing how this is playing out. It's coming down aggressive though right now. All right, we done. That break and retest went crazy. It's unfortunate the platform's not working properly. It's not even showing the full data here. Let me just bring up this screen. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That break and retest was that. Look at this on the 5 minute. The break and retest was probably the cleanest thing for a quick trade. Fortunately, I was having some technical difficulties. It looked like they may want to do a liquidity sweep at the bottom here. I'm not sure. This was a valid trade, didn't hold up. Um, we could have taken our normal trade idea as well too to come back down into this area, but we couldn't even pull up the 5 or the 15-minute chart because their platform is not working properly today. Yeah, so I don't know. That kind of threw a curveball, maybe. Let me see how much move room we had here. Yeah, we had a 1-to-1 for 25 points for sure on this break and retest on the 5-minute. Yeah, that's gonna be it today. That's gonna be it for the week. Like I said, unfortunately, they platform. Maybe we should have just called it. The platform start acting weird. Can't really fully lock in. Probably should have just called it a day and come back next week to see, since the platform wanted to act funny. But yeah, it's gonna be it for the day. Didn't show the trade that happened yesterday. Yesterday we had our biggest trade. You can see here if you watched the stream yesterday, we got in at the highs and it came melting down. It closed out at a 2K profit per account. So you see here we go to the performance for the week. We're finishing up this week at 15 on this account. Remember, I was talking about this stream last week where this account was trading by itself. My trade copier wasn't on, so you'll see these other accounts are different as far as this previous week. But that's gonna be it for today. I'm out.